Welcome to everyone. I'm gonna show you how I do pancakes. I'm gonna weigh the ingredients and I'm gonna blend them with a blender. I use a Nutri-Bullet. First of all, for the pancake I use egg whites. They're pasteurized egg whites. I usually use around 350 grams to 400, but I'm gonna use 350 grams of egg whites, one whole banana, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 cups of whey protein powder, chocolate hazelnut flavor. I also use some oats. This recipe is a high protein meal. There's 75 grams of protein and it's also medium to high carb. I'm gonna weigh the egg whites and stick around 350 grams. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, one whole banana. This will make the composition more thick. 2 cups of protein powder. I'm gonna put 1 cup of oats and now I'm gonna blend them. We need some coconut oil in the pan. We'll spread the coconut oil. Oh god, they're gonna be so fluffy. Flipping the pancake on the other side 10 to 15 seconds, it's enough because it's gonna be ready. When you see that the pancake has all these bubbles and holes in it and the sides are detached from the pan, are detaching, it's ready to be flipped. And this is how it is on this side. For the next one I'm gonna have to put some more coconut oil, otherwise it's gonna stick a little. They are sweet, high protein, especially delicious, just like this. Very fluffy. You can eat them every day. But now I will also prepare some Greek yogurt with some blueberry jam from my mother. I'm gonna wrap it like this. This is how I remember my mother and my aunt wrapping the pancakes when I was little and we ate pancakes made at home. It's time for the tasting. And you can eat them every single day.